I believe this is a 77 Chevy Nova. That's an old build, man. It's a little something. Squatting down a little bit. Just letting y'all see a little something. Inside did. Little sounds in the back. Little glitter in the paint, just a little bit. Trying to make them do what it do. That's just a little something for y'all. Just trying to show a little video. Trying to keep it going, baby. Black boy out.